Hi everybody, welcome to Synchronicity Yoga. My name is Kevin. Find a place to roll out your mat and let's get started. We'll start standing. Lift and spread the toes. If you have shoes on, you can do this as well. And then ground down, place them back down onto the mat or wherever you may be. Engage the quads, lifting the kneecaps. Take a slight tuck of the pelvis. Draw the shoulders back, palms face forward. Take a slight tuck in the chin, elongate the spine, and close your eyes. Inhale, exhale out the mouth. Taking 2 more deep breaths. Allow the eyes to float open. Inhale, the hand circle sweep overhead. Take the right hand down the right side of the leg. Exhale, reach the left hand over top. Pinky finger spirals downward. Make sure you're not dumping into the right hand or right side body, but actually reaching for length. Every exhale takes you a little bit deeper. Gaze can come up towards the ceiling. Inhale to come up through center, both hands meet overhead, look up. Exhale, left hand comes down, really reach long to the right. One more breath, the exhale takes you a little bit deeper. Inhale to come up through center, hands meet overhead. Interlace the fingers, pointer fingers facing up. Inhale, reach the hands to reach up, look up. Exhale, begin to lean back, gaze up towards the thumbs. Just take a slight back bend, maybe allow the head to drop back. Inhale to come up through center, exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Hands to the mat, pedal out side to side here, breathing into the backs of the legs, keeping the same deep breath. Now you don't need to look down, just allow the head to hang, let gravity do its job. Grab either elbow, little rock side to side. Think about lengthening down here rather than rounding. So try and keep a long, almost flat back, allowing the head to hang, reaching the head, crown of the head reaching down. Keeping a hold of the elbows, add a little bounce, forward and back, side to side. Keeping that long, deep breath. Releasing the elbows. Inhale, half lift, hands come to the shins. Extend the crown of the head forward. Take the hands behind the back. Bind the fingers, interlacing the fingers. Draw the shoulders back, palms pressed together. Take a deep breath, exhale, fold forward again. Allow the head to hang. Same little bounce, little rock side to side. Releasing the bind behind the back. Inhale, half lift, extend again. Exhale, fold the belly. Hinge at the hips. Bending the knees deeply, begin to roll all the way up, one vertebrae at a time. Head comes up last. Shoulders draw back, palms face forward. Heel toe the feet out. Toes come out, heels come in. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead, gaze up, look up, palms to touch. Exhale, sit it down deeply. Now you want to make sure the knees aren't dropping into the midline, actually track them laterally or external, pressing them out. Slight tuck of the pelvis, draw the belly in, sink a little bit lower. Option to bring hands to the knees. Taking the right shoulder, drop it in towards the midline on an exhale. Inhale to come back through center. Exhale, take the left shoulder down. Take a few more. Inhale to center. Exhale, right shoulder in. Inhale to center. Exhale, left shoulder in. One more round. Inhale to center. Exhale, right. Inhale, back. Exhale, left. Inhale to center. Extend the legs, straightening them. Draw the toes in, heels slightly out. Bring the hands to the hips. Inhale, lift the chest, draw the elbows back, look up. Exhale, hinge at the hips or folding forward. Bringing hands to mat. Option to take this as deep as you would like to, or staying with a flat back, just grab either elbow, let the head hang, little rock, side to side. Maintaining an awareness of the breath. Releasing the hands. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, hands to hips. Inhale, rise all the way to standing. Again, bind behind the back, fingers interlace. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, begin to lean back. Gaze comes up, release the bind. Take the right hand down the back of the right leg, left hand to hip. Just begin to reach down for that calf. Gaze stays up. Inhale to come to center. Right hand to hip, left hand slides down the back of the left leg. Inhale to come up. Hands to hips. Heel toe the feet back in hips distance for about 2 fists. Lift and spread the toes. Lift the kneecaps. Shoulders draw back. Take a deep breath, exhale out the mouth. Take 2 more. Drawing hands to heart center. Bowing head to hands. Best of luck with whatever presentation or speech that you have to give, or as I should say, break a leg. Namaste.